In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a bill in Xero. Before we jump in, here's the quick idea. In Xero, bills that are already approved and sitting in your payables are best removed by voiding them, while bills that haven't been approved yet can usually be deleted outright. Both options take the bill out of what you owe, but they behave a little differently in your records. I'll show you exactly where to click and what to expect. First, go to Xero and sign in so you're on the main dashboard. From there, head to Purchases. This is where all your supplier activity lives. Inside Purchases, open Bills to see the full list of bills in different stages. Now, move into the Awaiting Payment section. This view shows bills that have been approved but not yet paid. If you need to remove one of these from your payables, select the checkbox next to the specific bill line you want to take out. With it selected, choose Void. Xero will ask you to confirm because voiding is a significant action. When you confirm, the bill's amount drops out of your payables, and the bill is marked as voided so your audit trail remains intact. This is the cleanest way to undo an approved, unpaid bill that should no longer be on your list. If the bill isn't approved yet, there's another path. You can work with bills in the Awaiting Approval section and choose Delete. Deleting is best for bills that were created by mistake or duplicates that haven't been finalized. When you delete, the bill is removed entirely rather than stored as a voided record. Keep in mind that deletion is only available when the bill hasn't been approved and there are no payments or credit notes attached. A few tips as you go. Make sure you've selected the correct bill before you void or delete, especially if multiple bills look similar. If you operate with user permissions, you may need the appropriate role to void or delete bills. If you don't see those options, check with your organization's administrator. Also remember that voiding and deleting can't be undone in a single click. If you remove a bill by mistake, you'll generally need to recreate it to restore it to your payables. That's the process from start to finish. Go to Xero, open Purchases, then Bills. Review what's awaiting payment to void approved bills, or switch to awaiting approval to delete unapproved ones. Follow these steps and you'll keep your payables list accurate and tidy.